Have you ever wondered how farmers are using technology to grow our food? Imagine a world where flying robots check on crops and smart systems know exactly when plants need water. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now with artificial intelligence in farming. I'm excited to show you how AI is changing agriculture and helping our environment at the same time. So what exactly is AI in farming? AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a smart computer brain that can learn and make decisions. In agriculture, it helps farmers grow more food with less work. AI uses special cameras, sensors, and robots to collect information about crops, soil, and weather. Then it studies this information to give farmers helpful advice. For example, AI can look at pictures of plants and tell if they're sick before a human would even notice. Why should you care about this technology? First, these smart farming tools make growing food easier and better. Drones can check huge fields in minutes instead of hours of walking. Robot helpers can pick fruits, pull weeds, and plant seeds without getting tired. Smart irrigation systems know exactly when plants need water, checking both soil and weather forecasts. But even more important is how AI helps protect nature. As a researcher, I've seen AI help farmers use fewer chemicals, putting pesticides and fertilizers only where needed. Smart watering systems use up to 50% less water than regular methods. AI can even predict exactly when fruits and vegetables will be ripe, reducing food waste. It can also track wildlife on farms, helping farmers work around important animal habitats. So how can you get involved with AI and farming even as a teenager? You could use simple soil sensors in school gardens to learn when plants need water. Or try coding simple programs that track plant growth. It's a fun way to start with AI. You might also join citizen science projects where you take pictures of the plants or insects to help scientists collect data. Remember, the future of farming needs bright young minds who understand both nature and technology. By learning about AI in agriculture now, you might create amazing solutions that help feed people while protecting our environment.